2, 1.
Come here. Emma, what are we getting ready to do?
So we're gonna go drive in the snow.
We're having a crazy blizzard out here. The windows are like completely iced up.
And so we're gonna go drive through the snow, but the RZR is totally dead.
This one. I need to get a battery cut off on this because it keeps dying. I think the chase light is drawing the amps.
So Dad's gonna get in here with me, and we're going to go drive around in the snow, and we'll see what happens.
We'll see if we get stuck or not. Gotta love the improvised balaclava there. Mrs. Reckless made that happen. Apparently all of our stuff is in the motorhome, and it's a minute away. But we'll get this thing out of the garage and see how the RZR 200 does in the snow.
Hopefully good.
Hopefully good. All right, here we go. I got my full race helmet on, not because I need to have it on, but because it's so cold and it's the only full face helmet I have. If I could squeeze in here with it, I think my helmet maybe, check this out. I think I might be sticking above the limit there. All right, let's see. Keep going, go. Hey, we're all the way out now. Where are you gonna go? You gonna go in forever backwards? Power steering would be pretty cool. You're still in reverse though. And it's gonna turn easier once we're moving. Oh. Damn it. Watch where he's going. What? I don't know. Let's see how we make it. He's limited to 11 miles an hour. You might have to turn that off just to keep going in this kind of condition. Woohoo! What?
I can barely see.
Yeah?
Can you stop?
No, you gotta keep, you can't stop. What, come up? It's okay, okay. Is your face getting cold? Keep it thin. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Give us gas. What are you doing? Hey, look, there's finally a snowplow out there. You got it? Is that gonna do okay?
These goggles aren't helping.
What?
I took off the goggles.
I know, I see that. It's gotta be cold though. Ah! Oh, jeez. Alright. Move it. A little dicey in here. It's cold, huh? Right now it's about -3 or 4 degrees.
Yeah, it's so cold out here.
It's so cold. You want me to drive for a minute and you view?
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Oh, jeez, damn it. You don't gotta do that. Well, you don't gotta slam on the brakes. You can just stop.
Yeah.
If I can remember how to get out of these things. Ugh. Yeah. All right, get your buckle on.
Mom's scarf wrapping did not work very well.
What?
Mom's scarf wrapping did not work very well.
Scarf wrapping?
Yeah.
Is it hurting?
No.
I can't see much through mine either, baby.
Mine's total ice.
Yeah. Mine's ice on the inside.
Mine was too.
Okay, you got your buckle on?
Yeah.
Hold on to this. That's your job now.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's been going. I haven't turned it off. I can't feel my hands enough to turn it off.
Well, I can't see through my goggles.
What we will say is that the RZR's not failing, but we're failing a little bit.
Yeah. Our equipment is failing.
Yeah. Looking out, right? Uh-oh.
We're stuck!
We're stuck!
Oh no! Good thing we have reverse.
Alright, let's see. You gotta point it in the right direction, honey. Let's see if we can make it. It's getting deep. Hold it. There you go.
Which is 11, it's not quite letting us go full what we need.
Oh, that's gonna let us do it.
What?
You can make it in the field?
Sure.
Oh no! Outside, just point it out. That's pointing at you now. There we go. Let's go this way. Let's see if we can go up into the lawn. This might be a short video. It is gnarly out here. I'm betting that this has to be turned off for the phone to link up with the Polaris ride command. Once the tires start spinning, it works, but then the speed control shuts it down. Let's see it. Let's try. Let's turn this thing off for a second.
I can't feel my hands.
Your hand?
My hands.
Well, put your hands in.
Where?
You don't have to hold this. You can put it down.
Dad, can we go on another ride?
Not right this second.
Why?
It's cold. Let's go inside and get warmed up. Bring her on in, little girl. There you go, that'll do. Yes, be careful. It is so cold here. I know that places elsewhere talk about cold weather, but this is cold for us. I mean, anytime it gets into the negatives, that's real cold. Hold on. What's that? What are you trying to do? Let's see.
I can't get out of this thing.
The safety feature. They call this a safety feature, that they make these doors really hard to open. Kind of funny. Anyway, hopefully you guys got something out of that. It's so cold that we gave up a little bit, and it's getting thick. Without changing the settings in this thing, I don't think we're going farther, much farther.
Our goggles froze up and I couldn't see a thing. I was just like, I cannot drive this.
Yep. All right, well, we'll see you guys on the next one.